Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Alright, let me show you what I found last night before I went to bed. After I posted the the video on modifying text box border color, text box colors. So I checked my email last night before I went to bed, and I found this right here. Let's see, Ahmad Abdullah. You know what? I'm going to put this guy as not a spam so I can see. Yeah, I don't know how long that thing's been in there. Let's take a look. He should be, oh, there he goes. Oh, that's not too long. July 15th. So to attach these things, let's take a look at what it is. I didn't even look at the details. I just read this guy, and let's see what it say here. Share your expertise on the programming, create calendar. Recently I watched your video part 1 and 2, and I've learned a lot from it and plan to apply it for my work. Okay, that's good. That's good. I have issues with the position, first day of the month, for year, etc. Appreciate it if you could review and advise why I go wrong. Okay, let's see. So we got a calendar, yep, and oh, this thing. Okay, this thing is supposed to match that one, I assume. Starts one here, starts one there. 1, 2, 3. Really can't tell. It's a little too small for my eyes. Looks like 1 there, 2, 3. Uh, 4, 8. Oh, this one is skipping. 7, 6. What is that? 5. Yeah. I don't think I don't see the 2. We got 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one is 2 as well. Okay, so this is May and this is June. I have to really get into it, you know. Well, let's go. Let's look at the program. All right, let's here you go. Let's download. Let's see. We're gonna put this as Phyllis. This is this one. I'm gonna put a new folder for Ahmad Abdullah. Alright, we're gonna put it in there. Part 2, okay. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna leave that folder up. Let's go in there. Let's take a look. Let's go in there. Let's take a look. Is it in here? Oh darn, Ahmad. Right there. Alright, so as with any application, before you open this one, you always check these guys. Okay, you gotta click this guy. See this guy? Unlock. You gotta unlock that guy. Alright, otherwise it will not allow you to open. See how that thing disappears? So that's good. Yeah, let's open this guy up and let's take a look. Hopefully it shouldn't take that long. And before we do anything else, I want to go ahead and run this guy. And today is okay. It looks right. It looks right to me. Yeah, looks right to me. Wednesday is 31st is falls on Wednesday, which is correct right there. All right, let's take a look at August. August, let's go August, Thursday. That's right. I don't see any issues with this guy. Let's take a look at May. Oh, May. Oh, hold on. That was not May. May Wednesday. May is correct. That's correct too. I don't know. How am I gonna fix this one? I don't know. How am I gonna fix this one? I want to see that email again. How am I gonna? Can I make this guy a little bigger? So May. That's correct. Well, that's not correct. This is June. This is May. May starts at 1. June starts at 1. This thing is missing. Oh, it's probably got it cut off there. That's Friday. Saturday 2. Okay, I got you. That one's cut off right there. 2 is cut off. But on this right here, May 2024, it starts Friday, but all May should be Wednesday. How about June? June is Saturday, which is fine. Right there, June is Saturday. July starts here. What? July should be Sunday. Monday. July starts Monday, but on this one starts at 1. I mean 1 on Sunday. Huh. Well, but after looking at this, I don't see an issue. July, that's correct. June. Go to June. Saturday. Sunday. That's correct. Last day. That's correct. Okay, I have no idea, but this thing looks good. It's I don't have any issues with these things. All right, I don't have any issues with this thing. This thing looks good right here. Except, hold on, this is July. Let's take a look at July. So July looks good right there. July looks good right there. First on Monday, last day 31st on Wednesday, which is the same right here. Let's see August. August looks good. August looks good. First right there. Last day right there, Saturday. I don't see any issues with this thing. All right, so but let's see if I can give a suggestion. If I can give a suggestion. Yeah. Hold on, let's do the design. All right, form design. I want to go into code. All right, so yeah, that looks good. That's exactly what we want. But except this one right here, okay? Except this one right here. I mean, if you watch my videos, right, on the debugging, I have suggested people to fix this one right here, right? Except this one, you cannot do this one if you're in other countries, other than USA, all right? just watch my video. If you're in countries other than USA, do not do this. Alright, so I'm gonna do it differently here. I'm just gonna copy this guy right here, show you what to do here. Copy. Yeah, this is the problem right here. I can see it, the problem. If it works fine in US, alright, it works fine in US in this type of setting. But if you're in countries other than yeah, you need to watch my debugging, okay? Because this is not right. This is assuming you are. Yeah, assuming you are in US. Alright, but if you're not in US, you use this line right here. Okay, if you're not in US, you do this. But if you're in US, alright, but in US right now, that right there, I created the first time unexpectedly. Let me reword that. I did not anticipate foreigners. I did not anticipate foreigners. So that's the reason why I did that, or did it like that. Alright, but you should do it like this right here. Alright, I'm going to take that out, and that will resolve your issues. That will resolve your issues. That's the first day. Alright, that's the month, and that's the year. That's good. Alright, now to get the last number of day, yeah, last number of day, you advance this guy to the next day, next month. You see there? You advance that guy to the next month, but say, hey, go find day 0. Well, there's no such a thing as day 0. It's gonna fall back to the previous month. And that's how you get that last day. Alright, so that's gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna save that. So if you send, yeah, if you're having different issues with the first day, keep looking at the let me see here. Yeah, keep watching my debugging. All right, the issues with displaying dates and that, you will find that I've redone this one. All right, just yeah, don't give up. Just look for this. All right, here's another one. All right, so if the first day is equals to, look at this. I'm gonna take that booger out. I'm gonna take that guy out. That's all you need right there. Alright, and then we're gonna eliminate all of these guys. That's all we did. Alright, now initially I was looking for, okay, is it Monday, is it Tuesday? I was checking, see, yeah, when you first code things, you test things, and I did not remove those guys. And if you keep watching the displaying anything about calendars I put out, you'll see that I have, recommend you guys to do this. All right, so that means the same thing. It just say, hey, okay, so if today is MON Monday, all right, and it's equals to this control name, then come in here. Once you find that first name, you don't care about it no longer, because now you just keep checking the next one. All right, so let's save that, and that's how you do it. All right, so let's close that out, and that should work the same. All right, so let's validate. See that? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on, and the last day falls on Wednesday. Yeah. Yeah, if you send an original copy of what I did, I never found any issues. All right, but I looked in your code, it's going to yeah, it's going to be an issue. All right. Yeah, Thursday, first on the Thursday for the August, and then 31st falls on Saturday. All right, so this should be good now. this should be good. Now let's check on June right here. Let's see June, see what June is. First on Saturday, Thursday, good. Yep, everything should work as normal now. Abdul, let me show you. All you have to do is make your code look like that. Okay, just change that first day right here. All right, to look like that. All right, and also do what I did here. All right, make sure it looks like that. That's it. Nice and simple. All right, nice and simple. So yeah, make sure you use this date serial here. That's a magic. All right, the serial will know your region. All right, it will know your region. All right, happy programming. That was nice and quick. Bye.